Hi, I'm Dina Moses, and it is reveal time for Vermont Weaving Club's kit number 9. So let me first show you what the colors are. Have them all right down here. The first color is Brique 985, and that's different from Brick. Brick and Brique are different. So Brique. And Ivoire, which is 1451. Cannelle, which is 1183. And Brune Moyenne, which is 1313. And I've been wanting to do something with browns and beiges and tans. They're not colors that I necessarily gravitate towards, but there's a few things that are inspiring me this time around. First of all, I've been getting so many orders for colors in this range, and a lot of times I just follow people's lead, so that's part of what's happening here. They're also late fall, winter colors, you know, when the intense oranges and reds kind of die down a little bit. It's one of my favorite times of the year for colors. And the other thing that I'm going to show you that they match with are game pieces, all right? So what we're going to be doing in this club kit is we are going to be playing with blocks in a few different forms, and as long as we're playing with blocks, we're going to be making games. So let's start with the rigid heddle patterns. So much fun stuff. All right, so these are tic-tac-toe boards. And these are all with the club kit colors. I'll show you some alternates further down in the video. There's another one. And then we've got checkerboards, or these can also be chessboards. So there's that one. There's another one. And I just think these colors look really pretty with pieces. All right. There's another one, and another one. Now, this is an Atwater Bronson lace, and we have played around with Atwater Bronson lace before. And there's ways that this is similar, there's ways that this is different. And even though it's the rigid heddle kit, it can also be done on a 4-shaft loom, and I will be including the pattern for doing this on a 4-shaft loom. The warp is Ivoire and Brune Moyenne, and then the weft is 2 different colors and it changes. 4-shaft. So 4-shaft is going to be summer and winter, right? Same design. Tic-tac-toe board. Tic-tac-toe board. But the structure is different, right? So I'm hoping that through like really looking at one design in a few different structures, we're going to get to go more deeply into blocks. And for those of you that it hasn't really clicked yet, hopefully it'll start clicking. There's a bigger board. And one more sample here. That's the Brique. The summer and winter 4 shafts uses 2 shuttles. It has a tabby and a pattern, so it's 2 colors in the weft, 1 color in the warp. All right. 8 shaft. We're gonna do twill blocks. Okay. Now twill blocks are kind of fun because you can do them with 1 shuttle. And it goes pretty fast. So this is 1 color in the warp and 1 color in the weft. This one, actually, I don't know if you can see it, but it's got some sparkles in it, and we'll talk about that later. And there's a few of the checkerboards. Another checkerboard. I've been busy making samples. So many samples. These are just the ones that worked. There's also all the ones that didn't work. Okay, and then let me just show you a few of the other alternate kind of colors. These are what the sparkles look like, and they're very, very skinny lurex, and you can weave them along with your main weft color. I don't recommend it for the Atwater Bronson because it's pretty stretchy, and with long floats it could come out. But for the summer and winter, for the twill blocks, these are great. And then just some other fun things. So you don't have to make tic-tac-toe boards or checkerboards. You can make runners. You can change the width of the blocks. You can change the length of the blocks. And then some other color combinations. And I will provide all of this information. There's a red. I'm separating out the sparkle ones. They just keep going. You can really do just about anything. And all of these have the same warp, okay? It's the rigid heddle ones have the rigid heddle warp with the Ivoire and the Brune Mayenne. The others have the Ivoire warp. So you can get kind of wild and crazy there. And then this, I don't know if it's possible to see it, but there's a sparkle in there, as in here and in there. So I'll have the sparkles available. I'll have the pieces available. If you're in the Learn clubs, and if you want to just make fun games, and they make great holiday gifts, you can just do that. You don't have to dive deeper into it. But if you want to dive deeper into it, so the Learn Club, we're really going to talk about blocks and profile drafts and how you put a structure into a profile draft, and really take like one idea and what are the similarities and what are the differences and what difference does having more shafts or less shafts or no shafts make. So I'm really excited about this, and I can't wait to see what you all make. And if you haven't yet subscribed and you want to join us, go to VermontWeavingSupplies.com. Subscription, the deadline to subscribe and get this kit is on September 20th. All right. So, thanks for joining me.